Workers put 12 weeks to 16 weeks old chicken into layered chicken cage. We undertake modern poultry farm projects with artificial intelligence. Cage frames. Manure cleaning system. Automatic feeding and drinking system. We have rich experience in offering overseas poultry farm solutions. In Africa, we have set up branches and factory in Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Nigeria. This video was taken by our engineer in 2013, farm finished in 2010. Contact us now to get quotation of chicken cage.